People,
Oh, leave me alone.
Dina and his girlfriend are celebrate their friendship anniversary.
Friendship? Don't disrespect me something.
What is it?
Girlfriend and boyfriend relationship.
Boyfriend and girlfriend
It's been 1 year
relationship.
now.
It's been 1 year, so
Yeah,
you're gonna
1 year
have
anniversary.
1 year anniversary
About friendship.
of boyfriend and girlfriend. So not still friendship.
No,
What?
it's no friend.
What is it?
It's my wife.
Is your wife? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to Stratford, so I'm going to take the train.
Customer information. We're doing our bit.
So you know, so I'm coming at the perfume shop here, and girl have to spray of all I sell me love. Sweet, yeah? What you want?
I don't even know which one I'm actually looking for. I'm just. That smells really nice.
Look good. So that look here you want?
Yeah.
Turn on, my Mr. Son.
Yeah.
No, sir. I want to hear about.
Yeah.
Not myself. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's gonna look
It's
nice.
nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me see how I look like. Professional. All I'm missing is the Rolex. You see me? The Rolex. Yeah, I can bear this. That pocket, they have a pocket.
I think you can cut it.
Oh, you have to cut it? Oh.
Yeah. Look if any inside.
Yeah, I think so. It looks nice though so far.
Yeah, man.
And then I get a black. I already have black pants.
So
black pants on.
what this setting's about?
Look sharp. Isn't it?
What? Tell me, what anniversary? People,
Oh, leave me alone.
Dina and his girlfriend are celebrate their friendship anniversary.
Friendship? Don't disrespect me something.
What is it?
Girlfriend and boyfriend relationship.
Boyfriend and girlfriend
It's been 1 year
relationship.
now.
It's been 1 year, so
Yeah,
you're
1
gonna
year
have
anniversary.
1 year anniversary
About friendship.
of boyfriend and girlfriend. So not still friendship.
No,
What?
it's no friend.
What is it?
It's my wife.
Is your wife? I record this or that you feel know.
So I'm not going to do for nothing now. We'll put this back.
big son, people looking at us, they're wondering, is she the son, mommy, or sugar mama? I'm the mama. Up and running, we're going home now. Stay tuned. Good look. And our train is here.
The next train to Stanmore will depart from platform 14 in 2 minutes.
One carriage for myself.
Terminate
You know, see the people then I want to do my foolishness.
I don't come to this. You hear people say she kind of mad at Kuku?
Sit down.
See, she said she demanded. Sit down. What you say?
Yes, who was inside a train, nobody's there. Hi, Ronaldinho.
Yeah.
What you asking?
Not much. Chilling.
This train is ready to depart. Doors are now closing. Mind the doors. Doors are closing.
Doors closed fast. Hi, people. I'm going home now. Hi, guys. So I finished my little shopping with Ronaldinho, and now it's time for me to go home. Okay? Yes, my love, we're going. So my ear tall and it's bother me. Ear grow overnight. Hi guys. Talk to my hi guys. I want to talk to my friends. You know, could you pass me my phone? I need to say, hi guys, welcome back, gentle people. I'm not saying nothing because him laugh too much. No, sir. So to them, I walk, gentle people, I walk, I see them, put them tired. When I get big. Me no stress.
What?
Girl, just full of happiness. Why want one?
What?
You can let me not be the man first. Thank you for staying with us today, and now it's time for us to say goodbye. So bye for now. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.